So I decided to do a little experiment. That chip got off eBay. Didn't come with a battery. That's why it didn't work. So I took the battery out of Charlie and put it in that chip to see if it works. And he's a fully functional chip. So this is the chip. He's a fully working chip. Just didn't come with a battery. See if he does yoga. What's up, guys? Back for another Robo 101 here, back for another robot video. So the Zoomers are still being serviced. Bentley's currently the one getting worked on. So we got that happening. Alright, so let's do an update on the chips. So this right here, this white one, is not my white one. It's the one I got off eBay. I'll explain. So, last video, the other white chip that Sean fixed, well, that same wheel quit working again. Same problem. Same exact problem happened. So I gave it back to him. He took it apart and found out that the wire completely broke this time. So, but then he broke the wire himself by accident. So basically means that I walked into the room right when he did it. So I said, you know what? Don't even take the hassle, because what we were going to do is take the parts out of this chip and put it in Charlie. But now I changed my mind. So the other white chip that I've always had, well, that one is officially gone. Well, I mean, Sean, it's at Sean's house. Well, no, right now it's at the Career Center. But it's going to go back to Sean's house. And Sean said he's going to attempt to get it back and up and running. So, we'll see what he does. He's going to get that. He's going to get my other chip back up and running again. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to swap out the parts from that other white chip and put it in Charlie. So right now, Charlie and that other white chip are at the Career Center. And we're keeping eBay today. Anywho, so I'm gonna run to Chase Bank here and pick up my my stuff. Hello. Or I'm gonna deposit my check and then get my account ready for pre-order for the iPhone 10. Yay, that's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be really, really hard to get it, but I'm gonna try and get it. All right. Anyway, so let's turn him on and see him in action. Or the eBay chip. He's going to go straight to his charger. Well, I don't know which charger he's going to go to, but I guess we'll find out. But he ain't going to Charlie's, I'll tell you that. But for right now, I don't care which one he goes to. Alright. Which one is he going to pair to? This one's a very slow mover. And this one can't get up either. Can't get him to pair. Maybe this will work. Hey Chip, sit down. There we go. That worked. All I do is set him down. That was easy. That's not the charger. There we go.